One sec, one sec.
Keep going straight, don't turn it in.
Oh,
Now you can turn.
shit.
Yep.
Whole operation here.
All right, brother. Yeah.
What a beautiful car. Look at that thing, gorgeous. What is that? Oh my god. Oh, nuts. V12 Roadster. What's up, man? Yeah. Right now I'm in four-wheel drive sport. I've heard that four-wheel drive instead of four-wheel drive sport is the preferred method for launching and to get the most out of the car, because it's a 50-50 split of power from front to rear, versus four-wheel drive sport gives the rear a little bit of bias, I would say, like maybe 60 or 70, you know, and the front 40 or 30. So we came north to the car wash. Now we're gonna go south to Boca to the meet. Only thing vibrating now is in here, which is some of my suspension tools. Might even take those out so it doesn't make noise and to save even more weight. Yesterday was pretty sick. We met up with Alex down in Miami. Kind of hung out a little bit, got some coffee. So before I left, I just read that Assassin's Creed Unity got a 4K 60 update on PS5 and Xbox Series X. So I was downloading it on the Xbox, and it was basically like downloading the whole game again. It was like 50 gigs, so I'm looking forward to experiencing that when I get back. Assassin's Creed Unity was not received well because it had some frame rate drops and some technical issues, but it was a gorgeous game. Oh, all right. Make sure the Benjamin is secure. May have to get into the HOV lanes. classic car. Looking forward to seeing what that is. Maybe a Buick. Seventh gear at 3,500 RPM. Okay, a little bit of drone, but it's really not bad. I mean, the car has less sound deadening, of course, guys, remember, than a regular M4 competition. And I think I've probably reduced the car's weight by maybe 50 to 75 pounds. Hellcat? Dang, that should look tough. Yeah, the SPL front end links is just that last piece of the equation now that will prevent additional body roll and really keep the car stable. So when you take a sharp turn, it doesn't feel like you're falling over. It feels like the car is flat and you turn. I mean, the car feels great, obviously. It's just that last piece. Fifth gear pull at 100. Half throttle. Pretty stiff. I wonder if it's in the stiffest settings right now. Oh yeah, we are. Yeah, let's go to comfort. Super fucking stiff. Too much bounce. There we go. That's like butter now. Bouncy, but way softer. I wonder how the middle setting will adjust the feeling. So we're going from Sport Plus to Comfort to Sport. drive mode in comfort. This is personally my favorite. It's also why I wear down my rear tires so quickly. Definitely feeling a little bit bouncy. I'm looking forward to the alignment on Tuesday. I might put more camber front and back and even out the toe a little bit. Outside. But March is like that in the south, especially in Georgia. It's so windy. I guess it's super windy in Florida too. I guess it starts to calm down really in like late April into May. Is it a Jaguar coming up on the right? I see it in my right view mirror. Looks sick. There's a beaver going crazy or something up there. That's hilarious. some feedback to bring it back to center, that's where the SPL front end links would help me a little bit in terms of the adjustment. I would be able to guide it back to center more easily, I think, than with the stock end links, which want to come back to center, which cause more roll. Suspension handled that really well. Yeah, he took the exit. That's so funny. Naturally aspirated, guys. You do not see these ever. What a find. This thing looks beautiful. The glory days of Benz and AMG. Insane. Check it out, guys. They're getting ready to leave. This is the whole supercar group here. Look at this. I think it's a 600 LT. Look at those seats. There's a Valkyrie tucked away here. And then, of course, I keep seeing my favorite car everywhere. Look at the seats in this thing. Woo! Alright guys, finally getting a chance to get a close-up at this thing. Absolutely magnificent machine. This thing is nuts. Look how low this thing is. That thing is nuts, man. Camber in the front.